Welcome to Jungle Cubs Academy. We're exploring one of the most fascinating places on Earth. Let's meet some of its amazing animals. First up, the jaguar, the king of the rainforest. Did you know the jaguar is the only big cat in the Americas? Its name means he who kills with one leap because it's so strong and powerful. Can you make a growl like a jaguar? Look at this toucan's colorful beak. It might look heavy, but it's super light and even helps keep the toucan cool in the hot and humid rainforest. Let's practice our best toucan call together. Ready? Squawk, squawk. Here's the rainforest's slowest animal, the sloth. Did you know sloths move so slowly that algae grow on their fur, helping them blend right into the trees? Can you move in super slow motion like a sloth? Try it with me. Nice and slow. Don't let its small size fool you. This tiny poison dart frog is super powerful. Its bright colors warn other animals to stay away because it's toxic. If you were a poison dart frog, what color would you be? Pick your favorite and imagine hopping around the rainforest. Here's one of the rainforest's smartest animals, the capuchin monkey. Did you know they use tools, like rocks, to crack open nuts? How clever is that? Can you make monkey sounds with me? Ooh, ah, ah. Did you notice there's a tiny butterfly hidden in each seed? Did you spot them all? Count how many you found. Let's play a quick round of Guess the Animal. I'm the strongest cat in the Americas and love to prowl near rivers. Who am I? That's right, it's the jaguar. My beak is big, bright, and perfect for eating fruit. Who am I? Great guess, it's the toucan. I move super slowly and love hanging upside down in the trees. Who am I? Yes, it's the sloth. I'm small, colorful, and my bright colors warn others to stay away. Who am I? That's right, it's the poison dart frog. I'm a playful animal who swims through the tree. Good job, it's the capuchin monkey. You're amazing at guessing. Thanks for joining us on this amazing rainforest adventure. Which animal was your favorite? Let us know. Remember, just like the animals in the rainforest, be unique, smart, and kind. See you next time.